In case of partnership firm, two methods can be followed. One is fixed capital method and other one is fluctuating capital method. Now, when we say the fluctuating capital method, that means the capital account keeps on fluctuating. That is, all the entries related to interest on capital, interest on drawings, then your interest on partner's loan, then salary or a commission to the partner, all these entries are posted to capital account directly. That is, they are transferred to capital account directly, and so the balance in the capital account keeps on fluctuating or changing. This is a fluctuating capital method. In case of fixed capital method, only partner's initial contribution then any additional contribution or some drawings with agreement of all partners, that too not all drawings. Say if the capital contributed initially or additional contribution is withdrawn by the partners, then only those drawings, only these entries will be there in the capital account. That is, your capital account balance will not fluctuate frequently. All other entries, that is interest on capital, interest on drawings, interest on loan, then profit or loss sharing, then salary, commission, all these entries are transferred to partner's current account, and so the capital account is not affected in case of fixed capital method. This current account is also known as drawing account. Now, if the amount is withdrawn regularly by the partner, say if the salary amount is withdrawn, commission amount is withdrawn, interest on loan, interest on capital, interest on drawing, or the profit and loss is withdrawn, then that drawing entry will be routed through this current account and not capital account. Only drawings of the initial partner's contribution or additional contribution by the partner, that is some major drawing, if the major amount is withdrawn by the partner from its initial contribution or additional contribution, only then that drawing will be routed through the capital account, and otherwise all other drawings will be routed through the current account. Now, in case of the fixed capital method, interest on the capital is usually given to the partners on the fixed capital that was there in the firm, and what is the balance in the capital account. Accordingly, the interest on the capital is calculated. In case of this fluctuating capital method, your capital account keeps on changing, so the interest will be calculated accordingly on the capital. So this was about fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method. So in fixed capital method, there is the fixed amount of the capital, and then all other transactions related to the partners are posted in the current account or a drawing account of partner. Whereas in case of fluctuating capital, there is only capital account, there is no current account, and all the entries related to the partners are posted directly to the capital account. So this was about fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method.